Hello, people. How are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. Um, the previous class, we were talking about color, and I also brought a little bit of information of Malcolm X, who was a black activist, and I brought you also his poem about colors, right? And now we will talk about flags of countries. Okay, so now how to recognize colors inside the context of a flag of a country. So let's move on. First of all, we have a definition of flag. So it's a piece of cloth or similar material, typically oblong or square, attached by one edge to a pole or rope and used as the symbol or emblem of a country or institution or as a decoration during public festivities. So this is the definition of a flag, right? You can, we'll be focused on flags of countries, but before we go there, I want to show you these four flags to see if you know them, okay? Let's start with this one with in red and yellow strips and with a white star inside a blue triangle. So, do you know what is this flag from? So, this flag it belongs to Catalonia. Catalonia is not a country yet, but it's a region in Spain that fights for independence. Right? Uh, Barcelona is part of Catalonia, right? Then below Catalonia's flag, we have this weird flag actually, and I don't know if you know, but this is Hong Kong flag. Hong Kong is a very weird situation. Uh, it's not officially a country. It's a part of China that belonged to England. So it's a kind of capitalist island in the middle of a communist sea, metaphorically speaking. Anyway, but their flag, right? Then we have this flag uh, with a blue background and some stars forming a circle. So this is the UN flag. No, no, no. This is the EU flag, the European Union flag, right? So, in a dreamy world, um, Europeans imagine that it will have no borders in the countries of the continent. In some ways, it works because in some places in Europe, you don't need to show your passport if you're going to a country to another, right? And then below, we have this flag with a red triangle, uh, black, white, and green strips. This is the flag of Palestina, so, or Palestine. Palestine is a part is a Middle Eastern, and is a part of Israel state. Is also a confusion situation over there. There are also Cisjordania. Oh, it's really hard to check it out but the Palestinians, they live inside of Israel, right? And there's a lot of confusion in that area. However, so these are not countries, but they are kind of representation of human groups. Then I bring you here some weird flags, right? Unconventional flags. So, for example, to me, the most recognizable flag ever is Japan flag. You know, white background with a red circle in the middle. But let's check this out, right? So we have here this flag, yellow and white, and there's this weird image in it. I think two keys and I don't know, something weird. This is the flag of the Vatican. And the Vatican is a country. It's considered to be the smallest country in the world, right? There in the middle of Rome, right? Where the Pope and his friends lived in. Okay. Below this, we have the flag of Nepal, right? And Nepal's flag is so weird that even the shape of the flag is uh, very peculiar, right? I don't remember any other flag with the same shape, right? Then we go to this red flag with a star and a kind of uh, a crescent moon, right? I guess this is the name. Uh, this is Morocco flag, okay? And this symbol, the moon and the star, you can find in many Arabic countries. And then below it, we have one of the flags that I consider to be the ugliest. In my opinion, this is Jesus Christ. It looks like a zoom you give on a Google Earth address. It's like two ways and one. Uh, but this is South Africa flag. To me, is not a good idea. This flag, actually, I have to tell you. Then we're gonna talk about Brazilian flag evolution. So how Brazilian flag changed during the time. So we have here the first one, the flag of the United Kingdom of Portugal, Brazil, and Algarves, in just 1 year. So just a symbol like a crown, something like that, right? Then armorial flag of the Kingdom of Brazil, this horrible flag. It looks like whatever, man. What they have in mind to do this, I really don't know. Below we have the flag of independent Kingdom of Brazil. Uh, so this starts to get shape of Brazilian flag that we have now. But interesting enough, uh, the provisional flag of the Republic of the United States of Brazil. So it stayed for 4 days. Yeah. And as you can see, this flag is like a copy of the United States flag, just exchange the colors. Uh, in the United States flag, you had red, blue, and white. And here, Brazilian flag, you have the green, yellow, blue and white in the separated in a square, right? But it's pretty similar, man. And this is the Brazilian flag, as we know. I remember when I was a kid, people used to say that the green represents the forest, the yellow represents the gold, the blue represents the sea, the stars represent the states, and there's this lovely sentence, ordem e progresso. It came from Augusto Conte's idea, positivism, so it's very related to science, right? But we are Brazilians, we live here, we know this sentence doesn't work. And it's even interesting because Brazil, for a long time, had a lot of illiterate people. So when you have a flag with something written on it, you are excluding people who cannot read it. So to me, sounds completely ironic. You're doing a flag with something written, but your own people cannot read it. So pretty weird at all. And here we're gonna do an exercise on vexillology. Vexillology is the study of flags, right? And the exercise is that identify the colors and the name of the countries of these flags. So you have here four flags, and you have to identify the colors and name of the countries of these flags. So if you feel like, you can pause the class here, and then you try by yourselves, and next you come back, okay? Okay, so uh, let's see if you could do right the exercise. So we have here the Germany flag, or the German flag. The colors are yellow, red, and black. And I'm seeing them from the bottom to the top, as you can see there. In the side, we have France. So the French flag is the French flag colors are blue, white, and red. You can see left to right. Going down, we have Nigeria, and Nigerian flag is green, white, and green, left to right. And the Belgian flag, that is black, yellow, and red, left to right. Pay attention for two things. The first thing is that the colors blue, white, and red from the French flag, they appear in many other flags around the world. You can see in Cuba, you can see in the United States, you can see in Russia. So these three colors mean fraternity, freedom, and equality. Another thing we can say about these flags is because German and Belgian flags, they have the same colors, but the position is different. This is why in 2018, when a Brazilian team lost to Belgium, people were making jokes, change the position of the flag, uh, making a joke like Germans, they were disguised as Belgians to defeat Brazil in the World Cup. Okay, people, so this is our class. I hope you like it, and I see you later. Bye.